The 2019 Factory Blowout Sale is happening this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only at Boat and RV, member of Factory Direct Marine and RV. It's the biggest sales event of the year. All 2019 and prior models must go to make room for 2020. Many boats and RVs will be sold at or below dealer cost. Brand new boat, motor, and trailer packages priced from just $14,999. Brand new travel trailers as low as $99.99. And brand new motorhomes from only $54,990. We have appraisers on site to give you top dollar for your trade during this 3-day only event. Don't miss it. The 2019 Factory Blowout Sale happening this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only at Boat and RV, member of Factory Direct Marine and RV. Visit factorydirectmarine.com for locations and phone numbers.